Playing One Piece Pirate Warrior Force using controller is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm gonna teach you how you guys can play One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 by using controller. So for that you have to open up your Steam. As you guys can see, I'm at my Steam, and here you have to go to library. And in library, as you guys can see, I currently don't have that game, but I can show you in any other game. So the process is pretty much the same. So suppose this is the game, I'm just gonna click on that game. In my case, it is Brawlhalla, but in your case, it should be One Piece. So you just have to click on this settings, and in settings, you just have to click on this properties. While in properties, you will see this option called controller. Click on that option, and there you guys can see. And then you just have to click on this use default setting and enable Steam input. But if you want to change the setting for the genre for the whole Steam, that you want to play any of the game using a controller, just have to click on this link. And it will open up this page, and you just have to turn on all of the things. What it will do is it will allow all of the controllers. You have to select some of the options that you want to turn off. Then you just have to turn off few options, and then you have to turn on the remaining options. So that's how you are allowing your game to use your controller that you have connected to your computer. That's how you guys can play your One Piece Pirate Warriors Force using your controller. So hope you guys find this very helpful.